Hey everyone, I'm Tina and I love taking long baths. Today I'm going to warm myself up with nicey spicy loads of gingerbread scent. Can't be more ready for it. I start with Alverde chai bubble bath. Alverde is commonly available in a German drugstore Drogeriemarkt and it's certified as natural vegan cosmetics brand. I'm quite disappointed with the smell, because it doesn't remind me of chai or any other gingerbread stuff. But the foam is made very quickly and it's very rich, so I definitely forgive you, Alverde. Next I'm going to use this Organic Planet honey and cinnamon scrub. I was shocked that there's actually a real honey and also a sugar. So the scrub peels nicely until the crystals dissolve, leaving smooth layer of sweetness on me. Skin feels so soft and smells like cinnamon bun. That's all for bathing. It's time to invite our special guest, Mr. Gingerbread. Everybody say hello to this awesome Lush gingerbread massage bar. There's a little surprise in him, so wait till the end. I use it right after the bath, so my skin is still warm and the bar melts easily. It leaves glitters on my skin, perfectly moisturizes it, and smells just like heaven. It's time for the surprise! When you make holes in these gingerbread buttons, you get access to sparkling powder inside. You can use it on whole body, face, or even hair to make them smooth, glittery, nutrified, and of course, smelling so good that everybody will definitely enjoy your company. You have now become a nice piece of gingerbread. Enjoy that! Watch more bath videos to get new tips and don't forget to not underestimate the power of smelling good. Bye!